Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Start by opening Gallery app and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Following that, use those type of dots at the top left corners to pick all of them right away. If you want to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And then to delete the rest, use bin icon at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!